Hey, what's up guys, we're back here with another video. We are at Design North, ASU Design University. Here we'll be testing out the Pause drinking fountain. As you can see at the top, we have an air vent so you can cool up your head while you're standing here. As you make your way to the middle section of the water fountain, it's stainless steel and it has perfect room so you can put your head in while you're drinking water. And you get to the bottom, you have our very own unique push button. Now I'm going to test the flow of this. Alright, so the flow of this water fountain, as you can see, is not that good, not that much water coming out of it. So the taste of this water fountain was pretty alright. It was above average for being in Arizona. So for presentation of this, I'm going to have to give it a 7 out of 10 because it gives you your very own head cooler at top. For the flow of it, it's pretty weak. I'm going to have to give that a 3. I don't like that. I don't like seeing that. For taste, it tastes pretty good. I'm going to give it a 7, and that's pretty good. For temperature, it's very cool. I'm going to have to give it a 7 as well. Yo guys, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and tune in for next week's video.